Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 211 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, ask me questions, let me know what you think about this contest. 20 seconds to go. Just trying to go and focus on having fun. I don't know. The last couple of contests has not gone my way, except for in virtual contests, so I don't know what to say, right? Maybe it's excuses, maybe it's whatever. Since I won that contest, it's been a little bit slow, but let's just have fun. Let's go kick some whatever, and let's go in 1 second. Oh no, I didn't register. I told myself I should register and I forgot. That's an extra second. Two equal code. Just weird, but okay. What? Oh, this is -1. Slow today? Okay. At 8 or odd index. We'll take S to the right by B. Any number down. Okay. Okay. Is there an easy solution to this? I don't know. Because this seems a little tricky. So if GCD is 1, we can do greedy. By first search? No. Because all the numbers are dependent on each other or the odd one, so you could definitely search or by first search. Okay, is that true? Because at most it's going to be 10 times 20. Okay. This is pretty hard to prove on a B, maybe. I don't know. Oh, how do I get account? Now we can add A to all the odd index. Okay. Also, this isn't right, but let's see if it works. Good idea. But seems fast enough. And then I'll rotate T. Okay. One is to the right. $250, 24. This times out would be a little bit sad. And it's 1,000. Okay. an older player. Okay. Are these sorted in any way? Nope. I have to sort them first. Ages subject. Is equals the opposite of this, right? And school subject. Oops. This is not right because I have to sort. I don't know how to sort. Oh, did I mess up? Oh, I might have messed up this one. I have to sort this. Also, this is just wrong. Wait, did I mess it up? Oof, I did mess it up. Okay. Mess up some base conditions. Scroll plus read this one. Okay. So basically it has to be, did I do it by score or the other one? Let's see. In this case, it's the highest score. This will have to be greater than. Oh, phew. I wasn't confident on this one, to be honest, but it's greedy. It's the right algorithm, but it may but maybe in the wrong dimension, which is why I wasn't sure. Okay. Because this is the age. So what happens when you have to score? This means that now this score is true. So now this is the age. Okay. This is the score age. Not right either. To choose the first 3 players. My first intuition is closer, but I just had a equal case. Still wow. Okay. I'm just trying too much. I gotta prove it. In this case, you have this and 16. How do we even get 11? Oh, 6 and a 5. Let's just strip the gray. Oh. I don't know anymore. If the score is strictly higher. No, this should be good, but then this gives me a wrong answer on this one. Right. Why is that? It's too hard to eyeball. Okay, that's fine. 10 and the 7 could definitely play together. These could play together. What? Where is the 29 coming from? So these are 5, 9, 24. Wait, what? 9, 14, 24. So that's not good. I'm missing something. So this is 1, 2. It's 5. That's good. 8. This is good. 9. 9 is because it goes to this. That makes sense. 5 and 4 is this, so that's 14, so that's good. Oh, but you can have, is that true? No. At 7, 1, we have to go all the way back to here. So this should be 12, maybe. How did I get 17? Oh, 14, because this is... Oh, because I did the thing with the prefix. Okay, fine. I was trying to be clever, but I think I messed up as a result. I think I was thinking of something else. Was it 16? I was trying to be too clever. Trying to solve a different problem with the prefix, which is something that I do too much. Okay. Damn it. That was dumb. Okay. The time I don't do it recursively too. Okay. Focus. What is going on here? 1, 2, 2, if x and y share counter, so GCD is greater than some threshold. Okay. Okay. And then threshold, if n b sub I are connected. Huh? Oh. What is n? Okay. And I got 2 wrong answers. That's, or maybe 3, I don't remember. That was silly. That's what happens when I do bottoms up. Okay, focus. Okay. Go this graph. I have some ideas, but I spent too much time on the other one. Strictly equated then, okay. That's why. That would work. I guess. Whoops. Inclusive. Oh, I guess so. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Okay. That Q3 though, I actually probably should have finished really high. If I didn't had two wrong answers on that Q3. Yeah. But now I have to wait 10 minutes. That was such a easy Q3. If I didn't get that Q3, I would have finished. 34 minutes. I would have finished 18th and a lot of grunting sounds from Larry. Okay. And then I spent so long debugging it too. It wasn't just like 10 minutes. I mean, that sucks too, but because I was just, I don't know, I get stuck on I think I was solving a similar problem recently, and that happens to me sometimes, where you solve a similar problem, so then you end up using a thing that, you know, didn't really make sense. And that's what I was doing here, to be honest. I mean, I'm gonna be maybe top 50, so that'll be okay, but 10 minutes is a long time to kind of see how people did. But I really should have finished quicker. Or the two, not quick, maybe quicker as well, but just the wrong answers were the tough one. Because, yeah, without the wrong answers, I think I would have felt pretty good. I like Q4. So, yeah, let's kind of, I'm going to do so usually I will explain the problems in its own section, in its own video. Definitely check it out. I'll have links below. But I just want to go over kind of, this is the post-mortem section where I'm like, can I do things better? How could I have done things better? And so forth. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't think I was good enough in math to do in 3 minutes, but I was playing around the ideas for long enough that it was okay. I liked it. Because it's not something that I've done enough. But yeah. So largest substring between, I took too long on this one too, to be honest. 2 minutes is pretty long for me. Because I mean, better than getting a wrong answer though, so I guess that's not bad. But basically I just went off by 1, and also I just didn't handle the -1 case. And I just was I was slower, but some of it was deliberate if you watch the video, because I was just trying to get it right without doing the wrong answer. Lexicographically small string after applying operations. I like this problem. I think people were kind of scared about it, and you can kind of see it from the times here as well. Like, people either skipped ahead or did it slowly, but the main thing to notice for this problem is that it is odd index. I mean, I thought I was slow, but seems like I wasn't that slow. There were a lot of people didn't even finish Q2 yet. I mean, that's the last problem, because I think it's just tricky to analyze the states. And I think this one is just odd index, and that's the trickiest part. Or that's the thing, is that that means that this operation, there are only 2 unique ways to do it, kind of, on the odd indexes or the even indexes. It's not quite like that, but that's the most positive number of states. And because of, versus like maybe a variation where you would add it to, if you could, like in an odd way, if you could only add it to 1 digit, then your state would be a lot, right? So yeah, I'll go over more in the problem solving, but I did okay after I noticed that. Q3 is the dumb one. I had this like for the longest time. I had to kind of look at my my timings to kind of see how fast I did it, but I just kind of had, I was trying to be too smart about I don't know, I think, like I said, I was solving a similar problem, so I was with segments and prefixes and something like that, so I think that's how my head got stuck. And I think ironically I wanted to do this bottoms up. I think if I did it top down I would have no issues, because what I did didn't really make sense top down. I just kind of yeah, that was kind of sad. I think maybe Larry stick to top down, and you know, that would have been okay. My ranking keeps on going down, but I have another 3 or 4 minutes of penalties, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, so that's this one. If I didn't, and I got this really quickly, relatively, but I was just spending a long time debugging. Q4. I actually, to be honest, when I first saw this, I was like, this is very hard. And I was thinking about different ways of doing prime factors, but I think the key thing to note on this one for me is knowing that if you do a prime sif is n log n ish. So once you realize that, that is the thing. And yeah, and again, I'll go with complex and stuff like that in its own video. But yeah, I was happy with this contest. I mean, I wish, like I said, I got stymied by Q3. I really shouldn't have. Like I said, if I had, like I got this probably like in 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, some of that was just debugging. So like the fact that I took quote unquote 25 minutes on this problem is probably like about 20 minutes slower than I should have, and that was kind of the issue. And again, like you look at all the top people, a lot of people struggle with Q2. Again, I think, I mean, I wouldn't say struggle, just struggle given the context of how good these people are, right? So you know, like even this person took 12 minutes and finishing in number 2. So I did a pretty fast Q2 as a result, relatively. But but Q3 is more standard, and a lot of people are able to do it really quickly with a standard E algorithm. And Q4 I liked, even though I was a little bit slower, but that's okay. Like it's a problem type that I'm not super strong at. So that's where the practice would come from, and that's where, you know, yeah. Okay, that's what I have for this contest. I guess it's a little bit okay. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see y'all next contest. Bye bye.